As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
So we're looking at two propane grills today, right? The Charbroil Classic 2-burner and the Weber Summit S-470. Big price difference, huh?
Huge. The Charbroil is like $139, and the Weber is pushing $2,300. What are we even getting for that extra cash?
Well, let's start with size. The Charbroil has a 280 square inch cooking area, good for a small family. The Weber, 580 square inches. You could cook for a whole party on that thing.
Okay, so bigger. Makes sense. What about burners?
Charbroil is simple. 2 burners, 20,000 BTUs total, plus a side burner. The Weber is a burner beast. 4 main burners, totaling 48,800 BTUs. And get this, it has a side burner, a sear burner, a smoker burner, and a rear rotisserie burner.
Wow, that's intense. A smoker burner? So you can smoke stuff on a gas grill?
Apparently. The Weber has a whole system for it, even a smoker box. The Charbroil, not so much. It does have GearTrax-ready side shelves for accessories, though, for what it's worth.
Interesting. What about materials? I want something that will last.
The Weber boasts stainless steel cooking grates and flavorizer bars. Seems pretty durable. The Charbroil, on the other hand, has porcelain-coated wire grates. They're easier to clean, but probably won't last as long.
Okay, so the Weber is definitely more premium. Is it ties that much better, though?
It depends on what you need. The Charbroil is compact, lightweight at 37.5 pounds, and perfect for small spaces and budgets. The Weber is a full-on outdoor kitchen, heavy-duty and packed with features. It even has lighted control knobs.
Lighted knobs! Fancy! So if I'm just grilling burgers for the family, the Charbroil is fine?
Exactly. But if you're a serious grill master who wants to do everything, sear steaks, smoke ribs, rotisserie chicken, and you have the budget, the Weber Summit S-470 is the way to go. The Charbroil is more of a simple, reliable, entry-level option.
Got it. Thanks. That really helps.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.